The flow rate on line 3 is stabilizing now.
Confirmed. Adjusting the pneumatic pressure. In this spotless facility, the automated dosing system accurately weighs and dispenses every ingredient, from flour to vegetable oil, before the mixing begins. This is exactly where we want the rise to be before transferring. Beautiful texture. The automated transfer is flawless.
We need to adjust the airflow on that vent. The temperature is fluctuating too much.
Okay, I'll log it and adjust the settings immediately.
The high-speed AI vision cameras inspect bread color and filling distribution within milliseconds. Machine learning software identifies any defects instantly.
Highly sensitive metal detection tunnels identify contaminants. Rejected items are diverted to secure bins for investigation. Specialized packaging equipment removes excess air and injects a controlled protective gas mixture to extend freshness. The robotic systems meticulously count and load the finished sandwiches into cartons. Mechanical formers seal the boxes.
As you can see, the synchronization is flawless. We're dispatching the next wave of pallets now.
Confirmed. All systems are running at peak efficiency. From highways to regional distribution centers, precision logistics guarantee the cold chain remains unbroken.
Every morning, our team ensures that these vibrant, fresh ingredients are perfectly aligned and kept at the ideal serving temperature.